Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 14th, 2025, and we're diving into GrowGeneration's latest earnings report. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. GrowGeneration, a leading retailer and distributor of hydroponic and organic gardening products, has just released their fourth quarter and full year 2024 financial results. Let's break down the key highlights.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the revenue figures. GrowGeneration reported net sales of $37.4 million for the fourth quarter and $188.9 million for the full year 2024. How does this compare to previous periods, John?
Well, the net sales for the fourth quarter decreased from $49.5 million in the same period last year, primarily due to the consolidation of 19 retail locations. For the full year, net sales also declined from $225.9 million in 2023. Despite these declines, the company has been focusing on strategic restructuring to improve long-term profitability.
And what about profitability?
The net loss for the fourth quarter improved to $23.3 million from $27.3 million last year, while the full-year net loss increased slightly to $49.5 million from $46.5 million. This was largely due to restructuring expenses, but the company is optimistic about future profitability.
Strategic initiatives and proprietary brands. John, GrowGeneration has been emphasizing its proprietary brands. How significant are these to their strategy?
Proprietary brands are a key focus for GrowGeneration. In the fourth quarter, these brands accounted for 30.4% of cultivation and gardening net sales, up from 21.2% last year. For the full year, they represented 24.2% of sales compared to 18.8% previously. This shift is part of their strategy to improve margins and drive growth.
And how did this impact their gross margins?
Gross margins for the fourth quarter were 16.4%, down from 23.5% last year due to strategic inventory rationalizations. For the full year, gross margins were 23.1%, down from 27.1%. The company is working on improving these margins through their proprietary brands and cost optimization strategies.
Financial position and future outlook. Let's talk about GrowGeneration's financial position. How are they positioned going into 2025?
GrowGeneration ended the year with $56.5 million in cash and equivalents and no debt, which is a strong financial position. This gives them the flexibility to invest in growth initiatives and weather any market challenges.
And what are their expectations for 2025?
For 2025, GrowGeneration is forecasting revenue between $170 million and $180 million, with an adjusted EBITDA ranging from a $2 million loss to a $2 million profit. They also expect significant improvements in gross margins, targeting 29% to 31%.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, analysts had forecasted an EPS of 18 cents for GrowGeneration. How did the actual results compare?
The actual EPS for the fourth quarter was -39 cents, which missed the forecasted EPS of -18 cents. This miss can be attributed to the ongoing restructuring costs and strategic investments that the company is making to position itself for future growth.
With only 2 analysts covering the stock, how does this impact investor sentiment?
With fewer analysts, there's less consensus on the company's performance, which can lead to more volatility in investor sentiment. However, GrowGeneration's strategic initiatives and strong cash position may provide confidence to long-term investors.
Key takeaways. In summary, GrowGeneration has faced some challenges with declining sales and profitability, but their strategic restructuring and focus on proprietary brands are promising. With a strong cash position and no debt, they are well positioned for future growth. John, thank you for your insights today.
Thank you for having me. It's an exciting time for GrowGeneration as they navigate these changes.
Thank you for watching Smart Stock Watch. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial insights. We'd love to hear your thoughts on GrowGeneration's performance in the comments below. Until next time.